Guys, my tiny house is finally complete. I just have to hang the downspouts. I'll do a little walk around. Got a custom vinyl siding here. Central heating and air. This thing is 12 feet wide, 34 foot long. You got the septic connection there, which this thing could be even put in an RV park and connect to the utilities that are there. I got a 125 amp system right there, which it's running right now on a 50 amp, and it'll power up the whole thing unless you run the oven and the microwave, and it might trip it, but it'll even run on a 50 amp. But yeah, the maximum is 125 amp for this. We got an outlet right here. We got a cable hookup over here. The water hookup here. We also have a water heater drain underneath there. Got a 2 5/16 hitch. This thing is about 18,000 pounds. So, being the width, you will need a permit to tow it. But it can be towed with a 450, 550 Dodge, Chevy. Let's check out the inside. So this is the foyer. We got a mail drop. Here's the main AC control. I will change the fire alarm batteries. Got a nice chandelier here. Full washer and dryer. Little coat hooks. It's a large bathroom. Huge walk-in shower. It's about 6 foot wide. .33-inch vanity. You got these pocket doors. Metal. Here's the first bedroom. Got a nice mirror on the wall. Plenty of storage. This is a fan, super quiet. Lots of storage, plenty of outlets. You got an exhaust fan that is automatic, it just goes on and off on its own. You got the water heater behind there. I think it's a 10 gallon maybe, I don't remember. But living here, we never had a problem because of it being so small. The water would heat up fairly quick, so, and it'd be enough. You got the two types of fire alarms, the visual type and the regular kind. Obviously they need new batteries right now. Got nice window blinds. So this is the dining room, the kitchen, the living room all in one. You got a full-size kitchen, plenty of storage, brand new LG Studio oven, new refrigerator, sage green cabinets. Golden hardware. Got a nice chandelier. 4-person dining table. So this is the pantry. A lot of good storage. You got the microwave in there. There's outlets behind there and a, I guess, TV hookup. Got a vent hood. This is the second bedroom. It's got the main electrical panel here. Phone hookup, outlets. It's got a central heating and air conditioning in here. All LED lights. Both of the rooms are about 7 feet by 11. You could fit a queen bed in here. The other room had a full-size bed. So a full-size bed is pretty comfortable. But a queen bed will fit in here. King bed will, but it'll be wall-to-wall. So guys, this thing is for sale. It's got 8-foot ceilings in here. Nice wood style laminate flooring. We are posting it up for $100,000 in the Georgia area, Metro Atlanta area. If you're interested, message me. Take a look at it. If there's anything else you want to see, let me know. And subscribe and like. Have a blessed day.